Rainy and cool going to be the theme of your Thursday. In fact, in some spots we'll never make it out of the 50s for temperatures. Let's take a look at the conditions right now. And in Narragansett, we have the rain leading to some puddles in the parking lot here. The rain has been on the light to moderate end, so not causing any significant issues for the commute so far. Our hurricane barrier camera in Providence showing those damp conditions, but I am watching some heavier rain that's approaching the coastline right now, and we're going to continue to see that lifting to the north and east. There's a lot more back to the west too. In fact, some lines of downpours and even some embedded thunder pushing east this morning across New Jersey. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Again, heavier rain trying to make its way up through Buzzards Bay into New Bedford and Fall River as the morning goes on. And your windshield wipers are on pretty much everywhere this morning. We have our threat tracker elevated due to that downpour threat for today. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches possible in some spots, and that may lead to some minor street flooding. It tapers to lighter showers late in the day and evening hours, so some improvements approaching the evening commute time. We're in the 50s right now, 54 in Smithfield, 58 in Providence, and here's that low pressure lifting north and east of us. That's what's bringing the rainfall this morning, and it'll continue throughout the day. I've added both the satellite and radar futurecast conditions as well as the temperatures so we can track this for you, and they are in the 50s this morning. And notice very little change into the early afternoon, so rain with some downpours and 50s for temperatures, looking like a pretty miserable start to the day. Now this evening, one thing that we'll be watching for is the position of a warm front, and some of our computer models trying to bring that front as far inland is southeastern Massachusetts, and so you can see that dividing line with the temperatures here. To the west of the front, we've got temperatures only in the 50s. Where that front lifts through, the temperatures jumping up well into the 60s to even near 70. So if it makes it into Providence, you may get a few hours of milder air, but I would bank right now on an unseasonably cool day. 11 o'clock tonight, the clouds and the showers are easing up. Our temperatures are in the 50s overnight and then climbing into the 60s by early tomorrow morning. We have a better day Friday. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds under temperatures that are in the lower to mid 70s. Now there is just a slight chance of an isolated brief shower later afternoon hours, and an upper level disturbance going to quickly race through. Most of us will stay dry for Friday. And we have a dry day Saturday. Beautiful start to the weekend out ahead of a front. We've got warm, dry air in place. Saturday night, clouds on the increase as this cool front gets closer to us on Father's Day. It'll try to bring a few showers in. I don't expect it to be a washout for us, but our shower chances are greatest towards the end of the day as that wave of low pressure rides along that front. So this morning, pack up your rain gear. You'll need it throughout the day today. Temperatures tomorrow under mid 70s with a mix of sun and clouds, upper 70s on Saturday, and on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Each one of those days has a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm, but we're not expecting washouts. Get that updated for